Unless you're the most blessed or luckiest person on the face of the earth, you will even, at some point in your life, have experienced a problem or problems. But the question is, why do we have problems? How do they come about? And why are some of them so damn difficult or nigh impossible to get rid of? Well, the reason we have problems is actually really, really simple. And it's been massively overcomplicated by the self-help industry, therapists and coaches. So here's why we have problems. A situation or an event happens to us and we give meaning to it. If the meaning we give to that situation or event is positive or neutral, we don't have a problem. But if the meaning that we give to that situation or event is negative, we have a problem. Now here's the reason behind that. If we have a positive meaning to an event, we are in a resourceful state. So even if that event had a potential to become a problem, because we're in this resourceful state, we're able to get ourselves out of it really rapidly and leave that behind. But if the negative meaning gets attached to a situation or event, we're put into a non-resourceful state. And in a non-resourceful state, we're not able to get ourselves out of that situation, that thought process. And that thought process, that loop, essentially becomes unconscious to us. We're no longer aware of what meaning we attach to that situation or event. And then what happens is we move through life and we talk to our friends or a therapist or a traditional coach about our problems. The reason they can't fix it is because all we're telling them is our conscious conclusion about what we think is the problem, not knowing that that conscious conclusion is nothing more than a symptom. So that friend, that therapist or that coach spins around the symptom for days, weeks, months and sometimes years. And if they do manage to fix it, all they're fixing is the symptom or medicating the symptom. And then even if you give temporary relief, it pops back up, you relapse, the problem comes back because you haven't got rid of the meaning behind it. So if you want to get rid of a problem, you need to get underneath the level of logic and language into the unconscious mind. You need to find the meaning, extract the meaning, change the meaning, and then the problem dissolves. That's why subconscious bullshit elimination is so fucking fast.